In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge sections in Google Forms. If you've been organizing a form into multiple sections and realized two of them really belong together, merging is a quick way to simplify the flow. Sections in Google Forms are like chapters in a book. They help break your form into pages, guide respondents through different parts, and keep related questions grouped. When two sections overlap or create unnecessary pauses, merging them keeps your form cleaner and easier to navigate. Start by opening your Google form in edit mode so you can make changes. Once you're in, scroll to the section you want to merge into the one directly above it. It helps to pause for a moment and make sure you've selected the right section. You'll know you're looking at a section by its header area, which usually includes a title and an optional description, followed by the questions contained in that section. Now look toward the bottom right corner of that section's box. You'll see the three vertical dots icon, often called the More menu. Click that. This menu controls options specific to the section you're viewing. In that list, choose Merge with Above. Keep in mind, this option only applies if there is actually a section above the one you've selected. If you're on the very first section of the form, you won't be able to merge it upward because there's nothing above it. As soon as you click Merge with Above, Google Forms combines the questions from the section you selected into the section immediately above it. The section divider you just merged from disappears, and the questions move up, preserving their order. Only the questions are brought along. The section header and description you merged from are removed, so the resulting section keeps the title and description of the section above. This is helpful to remember if your merged section had important context in its header. You may want to incorporate that context into the remaining section's description later. That's all there is to it. Open your form, scroll to the section you want to combine, click the three dots at the bottom right of that section, and choose Merge with Above. It's a small action that can make a big difference in how smooth your form feels. If you rely on sections to control pacing or navigation, make sure you're merging only where it makes sense. After merging, skim the combined section to confirm the questions flow naturally, and the wording still provides enough context for your respondents. With that, your form is cleaner, clearer, and ready for responses.